Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we learned exercise 5.1 first question. Let us see second one. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. By finding the solution, we can get the quadratic equation. Let us see the first one. What is the first one? The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay, the length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So what is given? The plot. Plot means rectangular plot. Have you can see any open plots? The open plot is in the form of rectangle. So this is the length, this is the breadth. This length is depending on the breadth. So the length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means if the breadth is, for example, 2, twice means 2 into 2, 4, and 1 meter more, 4 plus 1, 5. If it is 3, twice the breadth, 2 3s are 6, 1 meter more, 6 plus 1, 7. So, but here we don't know the length and breadth. But length is depending on the breadth. But breadth is also not given. So, let us assume breadth is x meters. Okay, now I am assuming we don't know length and breadth. So, I am assuming breadth is x meter. So, what is the length? Length is 1 meter more than the twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means breadth is x, twice 2x. We'll add 1, 2x plus 1. So this is 2x plus 1. So length is 1 meter more than the twice the breadth. So length is 2x plus 1. So what is given? Area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. What is the area of rectangle? Area formula rectangular area of rectangle is length into breadth. That is 528 meters square. What is the length? 2x plus 1. What is the breadth? X equal to 528. Okay, now let us simplify this. This may be converted into quadratic form. So multiply binomial with a monomial. Here 2 times binomial. This is 1 term monomial. So multiplying 2x into x into x square. So 2x square plus 1 into x. So we convert into equation form. So take this right side term into left, transpose into left side. This is a 528 plus 528. So plus 528 transposes to left side, plus becomes minus. Minus 528 equal to 0. So it is the quadratic equation corresponding to this situation. So here we are forming quadratic equations corresponding for the following given situations. Let us see the second problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years old than him. Okay, now Rohan's mother age is 26 years old than him. That means Rohan's mother is 1 year. Rohan's age is 1 year. That his mother age is 26 old. That means 26 plus 1, 27. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. We need to find Rohan's present age. Okay, let us see another one. Rohan's mother age is 26. Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years. After 3 years, their ages product will be 360 years. So we need to find Rohan's present age. So here we find out Rohan's present age. So you observe Rohan's mother age is depending on the Rohan age. Okay now. So let us assume Rohan age is X. Age of Rohan is X years. Then age of Rohan's mother is, tell me what? 26 years old. Old means we have to add 26 years to the Rohan's age. Are you getting? 26 years old means we have to add 26 years. So add 26 to Rohan's age. What is the Rohan's age? X. Her mother is 26 years old. Old means excess 26 years of Rohan's age. So add x plus 26. Are you getting? Rohan's mother age is 26 years old. Old means you have to add 26 years to the Rohan's age. Now what is given? After 3 years, their product of ages is 360. So after 3 years, at present Rohan age X. At present Rohan's mother age is X plus 26. After 3 years, what is the ages? After 3 years means you have to add 3. So after 3 years, ages of Rohan's mother. After 3 years means add 3, x plus 3. And her mother age is x plus 26, adding 3, x plus 26 plus 3. That is x plus 29. Now, after 3 years, their ages are x plus 3, x plus 29. Now, these ages product is given 360. So, let us take what is given. The product of their ages. $360. That means x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Now let us multiply. Here you can observe this is a binomial, 2 terms. 2 terms are added. Here also 2 terms are added. So it is a binomial. 2 terms means binomial. It is also 2 terms, binomial. So product of binomial and binomial. So multiply first x, first term with first term. X into x. That is x square power 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next x into 29. 29x. Next multiply with 3. 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 29. What is the 3 into 29? So multiply with 3 into 29. For example, here 30, if you feel 30. 33 is a 90. But here for 31 less. Means subtract 3 from 90. That is 87. Okay. Equal to 360. So take this 360 into left side. There are no terms on the right side, that is 0. Are you getting here? Here we are multiplying 3 with 29. 3 29s are. First 3 into 20, 60. 3 9s are 27. 60 plus 27, 87. Or else 29, round figure 30. 3 30s are 90. But 1 less. 1 into 3, 3. Less 3 from 90. 90 minus 3, 87. Like that you can do the multiplications. Now, x square, 29x plus 3x, 32x. And here, 87 minus 360. So, Subtract 87 from 360. 360, 87. So we can't subtract 7 from 0. Carry 1 from 6. That is 10 here. Here it is 5. 10 minus 7, 3. Again here we can't subtract 8 from 5. So take carry 1, 15. 15 minus 8, 7. How much 15? 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 2. 273. So that is here which is the bigger symbol? 360. Which is the bigger number? 360. 360 has symbol minus. Write minus. What is the value? 273 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation to the situation of ages problem. Now we have seen converting the present the quadratic equation to the corresponding different daily life situations. In before we find out the quadratic equation. In the before problem, Rohan's to find the Rohan's age, Rohan's mother age, we need to find that x value in the quadratic equation. So to find that x value, we are finding the solutions. Okay now. So let us see solutions of quadratic equation by factorization method. To find the solutions, we have 2-3 methods. By factorization, by completing the square, or by using the formula. First we are discussing factorization method. So solution of, what is the mean by solution? Do you know? Have you seen already zeros of a polynomial? Huh? So let us recall once again. Where polynomial, here equation. Okay now. See this, I am taking one quadratic equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So here what is the variable x? If you put x equal to 1, what happens? Let us see. Okay now, right? X equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 3 ones are 3. Plus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 3 equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 equal to 0. So here x equal to 1 satisfies the given equation. So here x equal to 1 is called solution of the quadratic equation. Okay, what we are saying? X equal to 1 is solution of 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. You can, if you have any doubts, here anyone can ask. Sir, here x equal to 1 is the solution. Is there any other solution? How many solutions may quadratic equation have? Means any quadratic equation or any polynomial. What is the highest degree of the variable? Here what is the variable x? What is the degree of the variable x? 2. So that here highest degree of the variable in the polynomial or in the equation, if a degree is 2, then the how many solutions are? Means 2 solutions. If degree is 3, then the polynomial equation has 3 solutions. If degree of the polynomial is n, then polynomial has n solutions. So quadratic equation has at most 2 solutions. That's in the different cases, the 2 solutions may be equal or different. Okay. So this is the, let us see the definition. If, what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So if x equal to value, x equal to alpha is any real number, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Are you getting? So x equal to alpha. If you substitute alpha in the quadratic equation, this left side value gives 0. That means a alpha square b alpha plus c value 0. Then this alpha is called root or solution of the quadratic equation. Okay, are you getting? We can say root or solution. You can recall in the polynomials we explained this is a quadratic polynomial. If a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals 0, then this alpha is called 0 of the quadratic polynomial, where zeros of the quadratic polynomial are here solutions of the quadratic equations. Okay, so you can recall zeros of the quadratic polynomial are solutions of the quadratic equations. Okay, pause. Let us solve one quadratic equation by factorization method. Already we discussed factorization method in the 8th class, 9th class also, polynomials. Let us recall once. You have idea. I am again explaining. So remember, understand very carefully. This is very much useful in the higher classes. Factorization, easy, but you must understand. See, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. To find the solutions by factorization method, you have to take x square coefficient constant. What is the x square coefficient? 2. And what is the constant? 3. So 2 into 3 equals 6. X square coefficient constant. So take x square coefficient and constant. If there is no x square coefficient, that means 1. X square means 1x square. So take in that case 1. So 2, x square coefficient 2, constant 3. 2 3 is 6. So select two factors of 6. That sum should be minus 5. Select two factors of 6. So 2 3 is 6. 6 1 is 6. And minus 2 into minus 3, 6. Is there any other factors for 6? In one table, 1 6 is 6. Two table, 2 3 is 6. In the 4, no. 5, no. 6.